In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Cname record in Hostinger. Whether you're setting up your website for the first time or making some changes, adding a Cname record is a fundamental step that will help direct web traffic to the right place. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, look for the login option, typically located at the top right of the page, and click on it. If you haven't already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and do that to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger main dashboard, commonly referred to as Home. It's from here that you'll oversee everything related to your website. To proceed, navigate to the Domains section. This area is crucial because it houses all your registered domain names, whether active or impending. Once you're in the Domain section, you will need to click on Domain Portfolio. This option provides a centralized view of all the domains you are managing. It's quite convenient for those juggling multiple projects. Here you'll spot a list of your domains. Simply click on the specific domain name you wish to modify. This will take you into the detailed settings and configurations for that particular domain. Now look for and click on DNS/name servers. This is where you'll handle all the records related to your domain's DNS settings. It might appear a bit technical at first, but it's fairly straightforward once you get the hang of it. Once you're in the DNS settings, navigate to the section labeled Type. Here you'll need to specify the type of DNS record you wish to add. So go ahead and select Cname from the options. Cname, or canonical name, is essential for linking domain names or subdomains to an external destination. Think of it as a forwarding system that tells browsers where to direct their traffic. Now that you've selected Cname, it's time to add the actual record. Look for the option that says Add Record and click on it. Doing this will open up a form where you'll input the necessary details, the name of the Cname record, and the target address it should point to. It's crucial to ensure that all the information in this section is correct. Even a small typo can prevent your sites from reaching their intended destination. After you've accurately filled in all the fields, save or apply the changes. Some web migrations may take a little while to propagate, so be patient. That's it. You've successfully added a Cname record on Hostinger. Remember, this is an essential step if you're setting up redirect links or connecting external services to your domain. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial. Happy web managing!